What's going on, guys? I just recorded the first one with no video, so I'm going to go ahead and make this super fast. This is how I had a break-even ass trade today. Yeah, so let me just show you guys what I was seeing coming into the day. We have this 4-hour gap here that we're holding. I kind of wanted to see some bearish movements down below, but we are holding the 4-hour. We have this SMT where ES tapped into the hourly gap, and then we are holding, we're holding it. 4-hour, we just absolutely fucked off through. So yeah, so it looks like I'm going to be looking for continuation longs, okay? So let's see what happens. Alrighty, we are at 10:30. Let's see what the 10:30 candle does. Bam, 10:30 candle fucks off, takes out the draw on liquidity. I should have been done for the day, okay? And then let's see what happens. Maybe if we get a 15-minute pullback, I want to see this get tapped into. Okay, but now we open another 15-minute gap, Arunski, okay? Bam. So I'm liking this. Nice 15-minute gap here. I want to see this get pulled back into. Okay. Bam, we pull back into it pretty nicely, hitting EQ. Now, what do I want to see? Highest time frame inversion, okay, because we have the 4-hour sponsorship, 1-hour sponsorship, and now we have 15-minute sponsorship. To continue up to this, what do we have, okay? We have 10:15. We have 10:15 highs. We also have 10 a.m. highs, okay? Very, 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 very nice. We have this low resistance liquidity sweep here being sponsored by the 5-minute, and we have the 5-minute inside of the 15-minute gap that gets held. So I'm like, okay, continuation here would be pretty nice. What's the highest time frame inversion? The 3-minute, okay? Now, while it isn't the greatest, okay, watch the displacement on the inversing candle. Pretty nice, okay? We not the greatest, I can't lie, but I like this wick. I really liked the wick on it, and I really like this V shape, okay? Really like this V shaped, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and enter along here. I went ahead and entered with 2 Connies, okay, because I'm trying to pass the account. I just bought a new fresh funded. I passed my other one yesterday. So I went ahead and entered 2 Connies here on this one, targeting 10 a.m. highs with my stop at the most recent swing low, risking around who gives a shit. Let me pull up the short position for all the guys that are unaware or whatever, I guess. Alrighty, let's see what happens on the 3-minute. Bam, we're getting close. Nice. We're going to hit that break-even point. No, we're going to put in a fucking SMT between ES where ES hits my break-even point, and NQ just dicks off all day, okay? So, bam, I move my shit to break-even because now the ES has taken out the 10:15 fucking bullshit 3-minute high that normally I would have never done something like this. I would normally kind of just hold for my original TP considering I'm getting a nice 1 to 1.1 RR, okay? So, let's see what happens. Skadoosh, I get fucking stopped out, okay? And then let's see what have happened. It would have went to my, yeah, so I would have got stopped out anyway. So, very nice. Rather would take the break even than the unintentional stop, I guess. Wasn't really the great, I mean, I honestly really like this trade with the LR and the 10 a.m. high here. Just really would have been better if we had a stronger draw, like a unfilled higher time frame gap up here. But we just didn't. So, that's all we have to look for. So we have this 4-hour that hasn't been tapped into yet, but like I said, as well as an hourly on NQ that hasn't been tapped into yet down here. But then also we had the SMT where ES tapped into it before. We have this 4-hour that it just absolutely runs through. So I know that we're going to be bullish on the day. We also have this 4-hour here that we are holding, okay? So I know most recently we are holding bearish, or we are holding bullish gaps. Now we have opened this 30-minute and we have tapped into it, and now it looks like my original trade is about to play out, but I couldn't really give a shit. Yeah, so it looks like it's about to play out now, unfortunately. Y'all want some live trading? Because now this 3 minutes getting inversed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not entering this though. I'm taking the rest of the week off the market. I cannot lie. So yeah, and then you can see on the 5-minute, we're holding this 5-minute. We come back in, we tap the 15-minute. So now we have hourly sponsorship, 15-minute sponsorship, and then inside of the 15-minute we have this 5-minute bam. We pull back, we go into a discounted area, and then we have the inversion, which a pretty decent inversion. And now low key, this trade is about to play out. Now I guess this is a really nice clean stop hunt, 100%. But also I really liked. I mean, I guess you would have wanted to wait for that, but with the 5-minute and 15-minute sponsorship, it's like, where are we gonna fucking move? I doubt we're gonna come down and sweep these just to move higher. We're probably gonna move higher to take out this and then continue lower. But yeah, market does whatever the fuck it wants to, so you have to make yourself available to opportunities within the market and quit trying to force shit. Now it kind of looks like this is about to play out, and now we have a 5-minute. We have a better break even point. So, yeah, low-key, bruh. Bro, it's fucking 11, bruh. I don't want to trade this shit, but this shit, like, literally is about to play out. Like, dog. Oh, I'm in replay, bro. I'm actually in replay. What the fuck are we doing? Is this 3 minute about to get inverse, bro? With the 5 minute here ski? Like, bro, deadass? Low key. Am I being greedy, bro? Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy, bro? Should I even take this bullshit? Do I even take this bullshit? I'm only going one con. Do I take this bullshit? Because now we have a nice stop hunt, bro. We're still holding the 15, bro. But it's fucking 11, bruh. I don't really want to trade this shit. Okay. No, the fucking fair value gap was buns. Oh, we inversed the 2 minute, but our highest time frame is the 3 minute. And we haven't interacted with it. But now it's like, yeah, bro, this next candle is about to fucking run through it for sure. Ooh, I don't know. Not really a gap down here. Low key, bros. What's the verdict? Yeah, I'm not trading this shit, bro. I'm not trading this bullshit, bro. Don't trade no bullshit like this, bro. I'm out of here. I love y'all. You guys have a great rest of your day. That's the break-even trade I took today. I'm not going to trade this bullshit. It's 11 a.m. I'm off. I'm not going to look at a chart for 4 hours. I took my one trade, and I'm out of here. So, yeah, love y'all.